Look at the tag on your favorite t-shirt. It probably says eco-friendly or sustainable, but that neat little label is hiding a geographic secret. Your shirt wasn't made in one place. The cotton was grown in India, spun in Bangladesh, dyed in Vietnam, and sewn in China. That's a single product carrying 6 entirely different sustainability profiles, quietly rolled into one label. For years, companies trusted suppliers to grade their own homework. A factory self-declares they are green, and the brand slaps an eco label on the box. That's how a coal-powered grid gets masked behind a generic green leaf. Honest aggregation requires absolute proof. It means tracing the physical material and process data through the entire supply chain. That's why platforms like Speeki exist. Their product sustainability assessments bypass empty self-declarations, verifying actual claims directly at the source. They make sure the clean green story printed on the label perfectly matches what's actually woven into the product.